Here we've got BLAUPUNKT SF and let me show you how to boot into safe mode on the following device. So at first you have to tap on power key and hold it for about 2 seconds and then keep holding on power off key until you see the notification about rebooting into safe mode. So just tap and wait until you see this notification, and if you truly want to reboot into safe mode, which will disable all third-party applications, then click on OK. And just wait until you are in safe mode. It will take up to 30 seconds. And that's it. As you can see, now we are in safe mode. Here is the notification, and you can use your device with all third-party applications deactivated. Then if you would like to go back to the normal mode, simply tap on power key, hold it for about 3 seconds, and then you can either choose power off and then switch on your phone one more time, or simply reboot to standard one, and this is what I would recommend. Click on OK to do it, and within a few seconds you will be back in the normal mode with all applications active. And that's it. As you can see, now we are back to the normal mode with all applications active. So that's basically all. This is how you can activate safe mode. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.